guys, so finally the day has come कि मैं बंजारा मार्केट आ गई हूँ. बहुत शोर है यहाँ पे. So I have Riddhi with me. Hello. So I watched a video of Banjara market which I linked down below because it's great. Yeah. So I just asked her कि please मेरे को भी बंजारा market लेके चल, like tell them कि बंजारा market basically किस लिए popular है.
So I think मैं official एक brand ambassador बन सकती हूँ बंजारा market के लिए because I have recommended so many people to come to this market. This market is a perfect place अगर आपको आपका furniture खरीदना है या फिर photo frames खरीदने हैं, mirrors खरीदने हैं, home decor देखना है. I think it's a great gem. It's a like literally a gem of a market here, and I've like specially asked Mahi to come here and buy something for her house.
So we are just going to do that. I'll explore the market. It's gonna be my first time.
Yes.
So
It's really hot. So be prepared.
Yeah. और हमने एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो करी है इसके चैनल पे. So please go and watch it. And I'll link that.
It's fun. You should watch it.
You'll get shocked.
Oh yes.
Okay, so now just let's go to the market and see what we have.
Yes. Let's go. And hopefully.
It's just a suggestion. Never wear white shoes to Banjara market
Because they're gonna be in a bad condition.
Also, one more thing, Riddhi told me that you should always carry a bag because guys don't give you anything.
Yeah. And if you plan to buy like chota mota stuff, then have a handy bag.
Yeah. So I'm planning to buy some chota mota stuff because, you know, मेरे को metro से वापस जाना है guys. Okay, so the nearest metro station to this market is Sector 54 Chowk in Gurgaon. So this market has a lot to offer if you wanna buy home decor, you know, at such throwaway prices. I know थोड़ा bargain करना पड़ता है, but this market is, as he said, a gem. Seriously, I mean, everything here is so beautiful. You can find really gorgeous pots for your plants, a lot of beautiful furniture. I mean, look at all this. It's so pretty. Such beautiful vintage looking photo frames, and I really wanted to buy all of them. Some beautiful trays. You can also find frames for mirror, like literally in any size that you want. Look at this corner, totally Shisham woodwork. Literally wanted to buy everything that I saw. Also found these really cute looking trunks. This is so aesthetically satisfying, you know. So it really has everything that you need to make your home more pretty.
So Mahi has just cracked a deal.
I'm good at bargaining.
And I'm not. But she's just bought this. This is a piece of 3, what do you call it? Boxes? Trunks. Yeah. It's pretty. For how much?
She quoted it for 50.
Yo.
Also vintage.
Yeah. So this market is majorly for vintage stuff, though we don't know where they source their stuff, but you really have to hunt of what you want to buy and have that vision of like, हाँ मेरे को इसको ऐसे style करना है. So I think Mahi has that, and she has bought something.
मेरे को ना seashells इतने पसंद है ना, पूरे घर पे लगा दो. वो भी उधर भी है. चलो अभी पहले let me buy frame. Not waste my money.
चलो राइट लो.
तो 6 फोटो फ्रेम वाइट कलर करने वाले हैं ये. बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत ज़्यादा. आई मैं घर जाके ढंग से दिखाऊंगी कि लाइक अ प्रॉपर शॉपिंग हॉल बिकॉज दैट वुड बी अ बेटर थिंग टू डू. Okay, so I had a budget of 2,000 rupees and I'm very happy with all the stuff that I've got. Now I'll just...
I'm happy that you got what you wanted.
मेरा आना सफल हुआ. So you guys should definitely come. तो अभी मैं घर जाके दिखाऊंगी कि what all I got. Yes, bye bye for now. Hi guys, so I couldn't film a vlog yesterday. I mean, I couldn't show you guys what all I got because it got so late when I reached home. So let me quickly show you guys what all I got. So the first thing that I got is this really cute photo frame. So I've got a lot of photo frames. All are vintage because I have something in my mind that I want to do. So the first is this one and the second is this one. It's very dirty, I know, but इन दोनों का प्राइस उन्होंने बोला था 250, but I convinced them कि वो मेरे को 100 में दोनों चीज़ देते. So yes. Okay, so the next item is also a photo frame. So this is how it looks. So I've got 6 of these because I wanted to, like, I have something in my mind. Next thing that I want to show you guys is this really beautiful it's a trunk actually. It's a very small trunk. You can keep your jewelry and stuff in this, but the good thing is it's the middle size and it has this a smaller one, and then we have a little bigger one. So it was set of 3 boxes. Look at its detailing. It's so pretty, right? Okay, so that lady quoted 1,500 for this, but I have some good bargaining skills. So I got it for I got it for 600. Like this set for 600, I think it's such a steal, guys. So if you live in Gurgaon or nearby, or you can, if you're planning to buy some, you know, vintage looking furniture, so you should definitely go to the Banjara market. I mean, I took 2,000 for a budget, and I think for 2,000 rupees to get all of this plus this, I got this stool. It's again, it's very vintage looking. It's quite heavy. It has this shisham woodwork here. Closer look. I think it's so pretty. Again, she quoted like 1,500 for this stool, but I convinced her to give it to me for 500 bucks. I know, such a steal, right? So all of this was under 2,000 rupees. I mean, oh my god, I'm impressed by my bargaining skills, plus the Banjara market, so you should definitely go there. So that was it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you check out Riddhi's video also. The link is in the description box below. So we did a style swap on her channel, and I think it was fun because our styles are totally different. Believe me, I mean, you will believe me when you see that video. So make sure to see that. You can find the link in the description box below. Also make sure that you like this video. If you really like this video, comment down below if you have any questions or anything that you want to ask me, or if you have any suggestions for the next video, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.